Today, we're going to talk about how to teach without giving all the answers. So in the last episode, we talked about validating your course before you launch. And for course creators, the kind of dilemma that they face is if they give away too much, then what happens is there's no reason to buy the course. Neil, what are your thoughts around this?
Should we actually I don't really have too many ways to do this, but I only have like
first, let me say, Neil, I think we both suck at this because we do give away more than we don't follow the traditional course way. So
yeah, so I'll give you the main way people do this. What they do is they teach enough and they don't give all the answers. So for example, to make it really simple, if I did 3 ways to boost your social media engagement, I can do, here's number 1, here's number 2. Oh, you want number 3? Sign into my opt-in list or buy this from me and I'll give you the 3rd lesson. So you're giving some of them. Or you can say, hey, here's 3 ways to boost your social engagement. Go live on social media, respond to comments, test out carousels. So those could be the 3 tactics, but then you may not go super in depth on each tactic and how to use it. And then you like, look, if you want strategies on how to use all 3 of these effectively, click here to buy a course or sign up with our consulting agency or whatever it may be. So typically you're either giving some of the answers or you're giving all of them. And then you're just not going in depth on how to use them. Eric and I have a little bit of a different philosophy. We just teach and give away everything. And we try to do it in super in-depth fashion, because what we've learned is just a portion of the people will buy from you because they don't have the time and they don't want to end up dealing with it. And that's the simplest approach is what we've learned.
I'll tell you what not to do. What really pisses me off is when you watch like a YouTube video or something like that, and it's super vague and they go give you roundabout answers. And there's a lot of flair or fanfare, right? Meaning that they're showing off a bunch of stuff. Check out my house, check out my Lamborghini, check out my boat. And then they might give you like a couple like vague things. And really, it's not even value. Like they're not even talking about trends or anything like that. It's just super vague. It's like, if you really want more, if you want to have my type of lifestyle, you got to opt in over here. And then I'm going to show you on this free training. Like that to me is, it feels like a bait and switch. And if you're starting a relationship like that already, I don't know, it just really leaves a bad taste in my mouth. So you're better off. You can certainly teach, kind of to Neil's point, you can give like a couple of nuggets and say, okay, you can, for more information, go here. What people are ultimately going to pay for, and I think this is where internet marketers screw it up. They say, okay, here, you can download like all my get my course for $1,000 and all my content is the stuff you can get on YouTube. The reality is if you over deliver on your course where you have really good support, you have a really good community, and you truly try to go above and beyond, that's where more and more people are going to talk about your course. So I'm telling you what not to do and how to over deliver. And then Neil just gave you the whole how to teach without giving all the answers. But again, our philosophy is if you actually end up, the more you end up giving away, long-term, you have a much bigger audience and you could do a lot more with that. So let's use like a Gary V as another example, right? So it's a long-term play. You don't need to try to monetize every little thing. And that's it for today. And marketingschool.io.
Make sure you go to marketingschool.io/live.
Catch you later.